Hello, I'm Lynn Cooks and More. In this video, I'm grating something. And of course, I'm going to bake. Not in an oven because I do not have an oven here in Mountain Province, Philippines. Welcome to my new video. Carrot pancake. Grated carrot, so beautiful. I'm mixing in coffee for the water. I don't want it to be tasting so much of coffee. I prefer it to be tasting and with carrot flavor the most. So I'm putting little coffee only. Just enough the color. Now let's measure flour. 3 cups. Three cups will do here. Sugar. Salt. Very little salt. Baking powder. About 3 teaspoons. Pour some water. Coffee water. Add more coffee water. Oh, I think I put in so much water. Let's see when you put in the carrots. See? Let's see. Fold in the carrots. Still too watery, so I'll put in more flour. Let me see if that's enough. For me, I am not an expert at cakes, even pancakes. So I tend to overdo the water sometimes, or sometimes it's too dry. This is perfect. More. I put in about 4 cups already of flour. So I guess I'll be putting more baking powder also. I think so. This is good. 4 more. I'm fear it's not enough. The flour is not enough. Okay. Okay. Good. You notice I'm seated while I'm doing this. It's because I cannot stand for a long time without doing something like I'm about to faint. If I stand a long time. See, I'm adding more baking powder. By the way, if you are using ordinary flour like here, you add more baking powder than you usually do when you are using cake flour or all-purpose flour. Ordinary flour needs more baking powder or rice, like baking soda, yeast. But for my pancakes, I don't usually use those. I use baking powder and that's enough. About this consistency. And we can add cooking oil or any other sorting. This is palm oil. And then when it's in the pan, we add more cooking oil. For pancakes, we can use vegetable oil, palm oil, palm oil, coconut oil, corn oil, olive oil, margarine or butter. Everybody's favorite. Not so oily. We don't want very oily. That's shortening. Alright, let's go heat the pan. I'm using a big pan. There, an old one. I'm about to flip it over. Flipping it up, flipping it over. Right, perfect. Perfect color for me. We can rearrange it if it can be. Let's see. You think that's enough? No. Let's flip it over. Bake it some more. Alright. Another cooking oil, another batch. I think this time I'll make a wider one because I'll be putting it at the base. Base of the platter. Ready to flip over when it's like this. There are holes. Can you see the holes? It's time to flip it over. Okay. We are not sure. Let's test if it's like this. No flour is attached, not much. It's about done. So now we can take it. There. Let's make some more. The best looking one. First, I made 3 batches already. 2 more are coming. Do you like carrot pancake? Please say so in the comments below. And please like and subscribe. Alright, the last, the fifth, and the cutest. I'm putting it on top. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe please. From Link Looks and more. Bye-bye. Five stackers. Until next time.